Hi guys, welcome to WebSensePro. Welcome to another Shopify how-to video. And in this video, I will teach you guys how you can add video within collapsible raw of your product description. So by default, Shopify free themes, Dawn, Craft, Sense theme does not have any way to add a video within collapsible raw. And in this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can do that. Also, you will learn how to create a collapsible raw for specific product. So for example, if you add a video on one product, it's not gonna show same on all of the products. You can add that video or collapsible raw specific for specific products using Metafields. So I'm gonna teach you that. Also, you might have noticed if you have a template and you have collapsible raw within it and you have an empty collapsible raw, it's going to keep showing up even if it's empty. So I'm going to give you all of the walkthrough of how you can add that, how you can show that on specific products, and you can hide that when it's empty for some of the products. So if you want to learn, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe the channel. By subscribing to this channel, you will help us motivate, create more valuable content for you guys. We have passed over 22,000 subscribers and my goal is before the end of this year, we want to hit 30,000 subscribers. So help us by subscribing to this channel. Okay guys, so that's my product page. And in this product page, you can see I have this accordion which says information. And when I open it, it shows a video. You can add a video relevant to your product. I have just added this beginner tutorial which I created for you guys. By the way, if you are a beginner, you can watch this video where you will get a 1 hour plus content of Shopify. So you can create a complete Shopify store from scratch without any technical knowledge or without any coding knowledge. Okay, so getting back to the tutorial, so that's the accordion which we have created and that's the custom icon which we have added to make it look good. I'm also going to teach you guys how you can do that. And now if I go to any of the other product, so let's suppose go to this product and scroll down, you can see that we do not have any collapsible raw showing up here. And it's within the same template. So I'm going to teach you that how you can do that for specific products. So you can show that differently for different products. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it. So I'm going to go to the backend of my store. And let's quickly go to online store by here. And then let's install the fresh Dawn theme. So let's click on add. Guys, while this theme is being installed, there's a link in the description. If you sign up through that link, you will get your Shopify store for just $1 a month. So if you are new to Shopify and you want your new store to be up and running real soon, click link in the description below, which will help you sign up for just $1 a month. Our Dawn 15.2.0 has been installed. Now I'm going to click on publish and then click on publish again. Okay, and that's the tutorial which we'll be following. That's the blog post link which you will find in the YouTube video description. All of the codes are here. And we'll be following step by step on achieve all of the stuff which we need. Okay, there are 6 steps which we want to follow up. And the first step is to adding the schema. So let's go to that. And let's click on these 3 small dots and then click on edit code. And from edit code, we will find main-product.liquid file. And before editing any code, let's preview our store. I'm going to close this old tab here. And go to any of the product page. So let's go to this product page and that's how product page looks like. We do not have any accordions or collapsible raw here and we're gonna add that in this tutorial. Okay, so first step is to add this schema code, and before getting to adding the schema, let's check out our customize settings. So click on these 3 small dots and customize theme. And from here, go to product page template. So here's the products, click on default product, and that's our product page template. Now, if I add the collapsible row from our blocks, so if you want to add below this description a new block, which will be from this add block button, click on add block. And if I add this collapsible row, we do not have any option to add video. We cannot add any embed code here. We can simply add just plain text here and the plain heading here, and we will have additional custom liquid option showing up here where we will be able to add video embed code from the YouTube easily. So we will have a video inside this collapsible raw, right? So let's click on save, and then let's go back to code editor. And now we will search for main-product.liquid file as per our instructions. And from here, we need to search this code and add this code below that. Okay, I'm going to copy that and search within this file. So here's the code, right? And we will add a line break after this comma. And now we will copy this code and paste it. Perfect. Now hit save. And now when I go to customize and hit refresh, in our collapsible row, we have now showing up the liquid code, but it's not going to work. So if I add anything in this liquid code, it's not going to change anything here because we haven't added a display for this liquid code field. So let's add that. And this is for the second step for displaying video. We will be searching for this code in main-product.liquid file and then add this code. Okay, so let's search for this. I'm just going to copy that, search it within the code, and now add the line break after that. Copy this code here and paste it here. Perfect. Now hit save. And now I am able to add my video code within this liquid code. Now let's open up my YouTube channel and add any of the video. Let's open up this video. And now I'm going to simply copy embed code from here, right? And then paste it here. Before pasting, I need to refresh because I haven't refreshed it after adding this code here. So let's hit refresh. And now let's add in the code, liquid code. And now when I open up my collapsible row, you can see that we have the video showing up. Now you might be noticing that video is cut off. We will be fixing that issue as well with the CSS code. So please stay on the video. Okay, so we have successfully added the video. Now if I go to any of the product, let's suppose I'm on this product page and I'm going to hit refresh here. You can see that we have within the collapsible row, we have this okay, now in product page, when I click on collapsible row, you can see that we have this video showing up. We will be fixing this cutoff issue and we will be adding our custom video icon here. So let's follow along with the tutorial, right? So that's our step 2, which we have completed, and we have successfully displayed our video. Now we want to display a different video for the different product, right? We don't want to display same video for all of the products. We want to have different video for the different product. How we can do that? We will basically do that via custom field. So we will create a meta field with this namespace, and let's do that. So let's open up our backend again on a new tab. Now I'm just going to open that. And now I'm going to click on this settings. And from here, scroll down and click on custom data. And from click on products. And then I'm going to create a new meta field. So click on add definition. And let's name it video. Now make sure you have the same namespace and key as I have defined here. Custom.video to make our code work. Okay, now let's click on select type. And then we're gonna add multi-line text here and then click on save. Perfect, we have our meta field created. Now what we're gonna do, we will add Metafield value on any of the product page. So let's go to this product, and here I'm going to add my video code. So that's the meta field which I have created. Avoid these meta fields, which is for a different tutorial video, and we have this one video created. Now I'm going to copy the embed code again from here, copy embed code, and then paste the code here. Perfect. Now hit save. And now we need to pull this meta field value to our custom liquid, right? What we're gonna do, we will, in this liquid code, we will remove the embed code and we will paste this code here, which will pull the value of meta field. Okay, now click on save. Now let's go to this product here, which is the wireless charger product. And now when we open up our collapsible row, we have this video. Now for a different product, let's open up a different product. Let's open up this one, for example. Now we have our collapsible row showing up, but when I click on it, you can see that we don't have the video, right? So we can add a different video for this product. So let's add a different video for this product. So I'm going to search this on the back end. So that's the product. Now I'm going to go to any other video. Let's suppose go to this video. That's another video of mine, right? And it's an ad, so we'll wait to skip the ad. Skipping the ad. Now we will copy embed code again from this video and go back to the product backend. And here within this meta field, I'm going to paste my embed code and hit save. Now if I go back to the product, hit refresh and scroll down, it's gonna take a little while to display. Okay guys, now let's refresh. And here, click on collapsible row, and now you can see that our video is showing up, this one. And if I go to that other product, it's gonna show the different video. So which product it was? I think it was this one. Yeah. So in this product, we have this video showing up, and on the other product, we have this product showing up here, right? This video showing up. Now let's move on to the next step. Next step is hide empty collapsible row. So in this case, when we are adding video separately for separate product, what happens when there is no video on the product page? The problem with that, it's gonna show the collapsible raw, which is empty. So let's open up any other product where we don't have added the video yet. So let's open up this one. So when I'm on this product page, you can see we have this collapsible raw showing up. So we have already video on this one. Let's find a different product where we don't have a video. Let's open up this one. Okay, now you can see we don't have any video on this product, but we still have collapsible raw showing up, which is a little redundant because it shouldn't be showing up when there is no video within that, right? So what we're gonna do, we will add this if condition. So it's going to hide the collapsible raw when there is no video, right? So let's first, what we're gonna do, we will rename it to video. So it's video, right? That we should earlier do. Okay, let's hit on save. And now in order to hide this video accordion when there is no video within our meta field, we will add a little code. So let's open up main-product.liquid file, and here we will search for this div here. So let's search for this div. And that's where the div is ending. So that's the div which we will wrap with the if condition, right? So let's add in a space here and a line break here. And now I'm going to copy this if condition, paste this if condition here, and then end our if where our div is ending. Cool. Now hit save. So what this if condition is doing, it's basically checking that if our video dash liquid block is not blank, only then it's going to show the collapsible raw, otherwise it's not going to show. Okay, now let's refresh. And now you can see that we don't have our collapsible raw showing up because we haven't added any video embed code on this product. Now if I go to the other product where we already have the embed code, it's going to show that completely fine. Cool. Now let's move on to the next step. And this is for the custom video icon, right? So we have this check mark icon showing up, right? But we don't have a video icon when we search in our customized settings. That's the icon list. And if I search here, we don't have any video icon here. And I want to add the video icon to make it look good, right? So what we're going to do, we will add a new asset with the following code, right? So let's create a new asset. Add a new asset. Click on create a blank file. And we are going to name this asset icon-video.svg. That's we're gonna name it, right? Make sure the name is same. It's missing from the description, but I'm going to add update this line here where it will mention that what should be the file name. Okay, icon-video.svg. We have created our asset. Now within that asset, we will add this code. So let's copy this code and paste it here and then hit save. And then we will add some schema code. So below this line, after the comma, we will add this schema, right? So let's search for that. Within the main-product.liquid file, let's search for that. And which one is that? Need to make sure we add that on the correct line number. Okay, here it is. So after line number 1148, where we added our schema previously, this one, right? Above that, we have these icons showing up. So I'm going to add a line break here. Then paste this code, including the comma. Make sure you don't miss the comma. And then paste the code here. And then hit save. Now let's open up our customized settings and hit refresh and try to find out the custom icon which we added. Okay, here we are. Scroll down and currently it's a default checkmark icon. Scroll down to the bottom. We have this video showing up here. Click on that. And now you can see that we have our custom video icon showing up, which makes it look good, right? Hit save. And now let's move on to the final step, which is making our video responsive. And how are we going to do that? So when we copy the embed code, we need to add this code, which is class video-responsive, right? And we're going to do that within our meta field. So let's open up the product backend. That's our product. And here we will add class after iframe. Gonna copy the code. This one, here we go. So we added this class, right? And on top of that, we're gonna add the style tag with the CSS code. Copy the CSS code. Paste it here. And now hit save. Now our video will be completely responsive. Now let's open up this product. It's going to take a little while to update the code in the Metafield. So we'll have to refresh a couple of times in order to make it work. Okay, now you can see that our video is also responsive. Let's check it out in the mobile version to see how it looks. Cool. It's completely responsive. And if I now go to the other product, it's going to be completely distorted, like not looking good because of the CSS code which we haven't added on this one. Cool. Now let's add the CSS code for this one as well. This is the leather wireless charger. So I'm going to go to the leather wireless charger product. Okay. Search for that product. And here's the code. Now first let's add the class, which is this one. After iframe, and now let's add the style tag. Now within the style tag, we will add our CSS code and hit save. Now again, it's gonna take a little while to update the CSS code, and when our code is updated, it's going to make it responsive. So again, let's hit a couple of refreshes, and here we go. Our video is now responsive. And that's it for the video, guys. Our tutorial is ended here. A little long tutorial, but if you want to add the video within the accordions of Shopify product description, this video is really good for you. And on a side note, guys, we have created a Shopify public app which will help you increase more orders, help you get more orders, and increase the average value of the orders. So the app name is Big Bulk Discount, and you will find the link in the description. So that's the app, Big Bulk Discount. And the functionality within this app is that it's going to add a tiered discount. So you can offer your customers automatic discount when they add more product to the cart. So as per this example screenshot, you can see that it's being set up when they add 2 products on the cart, it's going to automatically add 10% discount. But if they add 3 products to the cart, it's going to automatically add 20% to that specific product or to that specific collection. You can define if you want to add to the specific product or you want to add to the specific collection. You can add another tier, like for example, if they add 4 products, they're going to be getting 30% discount, and you can customize the percentage and the number of product needed to add in the cart, and it's going to drastically increase the average order value. So make sure to check out this app, link in the description. And until next video, have a great day.